Hello viewers, I am making this video on iPad 10th generation for those users who want to know about Ipados 26.5 that I have received 2 days back, and I have installed the latest version on this iPad 10th generation. I will share my reviews or my experience of using this Ipados 26.5. The first thing that I was having problem in the last update was the screen freezing. Actually the home screen freezes at times, and as a result of which I had to switch it off and then switched it on to get normalcy in this screen. And as you can see here, there is no freezing, it is working perfectly fine, and also you can use multitasking and it is as smooth as it was before. Next thing that many people actually want to know about the battery life. So I have charged it up to 96% on Thursday, and as you can see here, charged up to 96% on Thursday, and then I used it rigorously on Thursday, and on Thursday I got around 4 hours and 4 minutes of battery life or screen on time actually, and then today I got around 2 hours and 46 minutes. So in total I got around 6 hours and 46 minutes. Okay, so you can say that yet 1 hour battery is left, so you can expect a SOT of 7 to 8 hours on a single charge on this Ipados 26.5. so battery life has improved little bit, I would say. Thing that I would say about heating, there is no heating issue actually in my usage, and it is summer, so in summer weather also you cannot feel any kind of heating after Ipados 26.5. so heat management is perfect in this new update, I would say. Users actually want to know if there is any screen burning or screen flickering issue. The answer is no, there is no screen flickering or screen burning in this new update, so you can definitely update to the latest version. Now if I talk about the performance is smooth enough, and you can edit your videos on 4K on this iPad in 4K 60 fps. There will be no issue on that, so I think this update is good enough, and you can definitely update to the latest version if you want to. But if you are getting enough battery life in your existing OS update, don't update to the latest version because that might be problematic for you. As of now, I did not find any issue or bug in this update. If I find any bug in the long run, definitely I would let you know about that. So hope this video has become informative to you, and in my next video I will talk about the accessories of iPad 10th generation and iPad 11th generation, like screen guard or cover. So if you want to watch that video, stay subscribed. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.